Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So we've got this interesting question here which has been derived from the UK's senior math competition. And basically the idea is that we're wanting to solve 1789 squared minus 789 times 789 without a calculator. So we've got a couple of ways of doing it. The first thing we can do is, of course, we can work out the square of these rather large numbers. But that is time consuming and not very efficient. So what we can do is we can recognize that we've got basically a difference of two squares. So we've got 1789 squared minus 789 squared, which can be written in the form a squared minus b squared. And we can then use the difference of squares identity. That gets us a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So we plug the values in. We get 1789 minus 789 multiplied by, open brackets, 1789 plus 789. So the first bracket is just 1,000. And then the second one, we can easily add those two numbers together. And that then gives us 2578. And then finally, we can multiply these two together to give you 2578,000, which is of course your answer. Let me know in the comments below if you have any other efficient ways of solving this one without using a calculator. And thank you very much for joining. I shall see you next time. Bye bye.